Please ignore the background. I have a community update for you all. It seems that Google is selling defective Pixel 9a units to the customers, and I have proof for that. It's also happened to me. So when I bought the Pixel 9a, I was very curious to find a defect, right? We knew that Pixel delayed the launch of Pixel 9a for around 2 weeks to a month because apparently there were some defect in some of the units. So I tried to find a defect and I did every single test that you can imagine. I will publish the video in a few hours. But interestingly, when I wanted to boot the phone for the first time, I got a couple of errors and a couple of exceptions, like Java level exceptions. It was really, really strange. I've maybe booted more than 100 phones and I've never ever seen a single boot error for the first time when you want to launch the phone basically. And I should admit, I should have documented that, but everything happened so fast and I did reset the phone and it has started to work again, so I could boot it. I got another exception, but everything worked at the end. Then a couple of days passed, I did my review, I'm gonna publish it now. And then I went to Amazon because I was like, did anyone else also mention such a thing? And I've seen yes. So the Google Pixel 9a right now has a rating of like 2 out of 5 star in Amazon. I've checked the Amazon Friends, I've checked the Amazon Deutsch, German, I've checked the Amazon Spain, and all of them have very low reviews. And basically everybody is giving 1 star and telling that they have boot problems. So when you start the phone for the first time, it kind of just locks it out and you cannot do anything. So the only thing that you can do is to contact the support and send the phone back. So here is my suggestion to you. If you want to buy the Pixel 9a, you really, really want to buy this phone. It's a good phone, by the way. Again, I'm going to put the review soon. It's a really good phone. But if you cannot give the phone back, then don't buy it. 100%, I can guarantee you that you may regret that. If you're in a country that there is no return guarantee, right? Do not buy this phone. Only buy the Pixel 9a if you're 100% sure you cannot send the phone back, because apparently I've seen it at least on 5 reports that people could not open their Pixel 9a at all. So I thought it's funny if we go through a couple of them. This one is in German and it's really funny. It says, kein Pixelfehler, aber Pixel hat Fehler. It means like no pixel problem, but Pixel had a problem, right? And the guy basically mentions that receives today just 1 day after the start of the sales in Germany and immediately received an error. Despite a full battery, it was caught in fast boot mode during the setup phase. Unfortunately, the manufacturer and Amazon were unable to help and offer the replacement device. Okay, but the frustration is there. The internet and Google repair tool couldn't help either. Maybe a stupid phrase in a situation like this, but I've never experienced what with my phone over in the last 10 years. The other guy is French. I'm translating it. Defective immediately after the first start. After the first start, the Pixel goes directly into an endless fast boot mode loop. Unfortunately, support was unable to help. Too bad about the perspective film that I had installed directly. And then I think this guy is from Spain, Alejandro. As soon as you receive your phone and start configuring it, you are stuck in fast boot mode. Google technical support referred me to the seller and Amazon has only proposed a refund to me. In short, no satisfactory solution proposed and my time wasted. Another guy, I assume from Spain again, phone received, log in and stay still in the fast mode. Good, but not great. Obviously, I will return the product. So yeah, it is a widespread problem. It's not just like 1 or 2 units. Very obviously, when you get so many bad reviews, there are many, many other people that just didn't bother to leave a review and they just returned their phone. Just be aware of the problem. It's after midnight. Why am I doing it? I don't really have anything else to say. Watch the full comparison. I'm gonna do a comparison of Pixel 9a versus 9 versus 8, which you can watch next. Probably you won't watch it anymore because I just announced that it's defective. I wasted my time. See you. Ciao.